Hi guys, my name is Joe Bertels and I'm the Assistant Product Manager of the Cougar Division here at Keystone RV. And we're going to take a look at our brand new, big feature, little 22 MLS travel trailer. This is part of our Amy Gray Signature Series, so we're in our new driftwood decor. Let's take a look. So some of the great features in this little mid-living travel trailer, we have really luxurious residential theater seating directly across from our entertainment center. You've also got opposing windows for ventilation, dedicated dining space. I can also do a freestanding dinette if you want to do that as well, but the booth makes into a great additional sleeping space. Raised panel refrigerator. We can also do a 12-volt option as well. And look at the countertop space in here. Tons and tons of space, serving, coffee makers, food, all you need. Not only that, look at all this storage. A great small little coach that doesn't sacrifice on anything. So as you come down here, we've got a great big bathroom back here. Again, a small little mid-living. Look at the size of the shower, porcelain toilet, foot flush. You've got a little window, tons of storage as well. And again, lots of countertop space. This little travel trailer doesn't sacrifice a thing to get down to the small package we are. So like standard features on all our Cougar travel trailers, this little 22 MLS has a king size bed, windshield up front, hanging overheads, outlets on each side for phones, CPAP machines, alarm clocks, anything you need. Again, lots of windows for ventilation. Guys, thanks for checking out our brand new 22 MLS travel trailer. It's got a ton of awesome features. For more information, go to our website, keystonerv.com/Cougar. Happy camping.